Hey guys, so it's been a long time, and there's a new update on Subway Surf. It just got in. Okay, let's go play. Oh my god, this is update. Yeah, Subway Surfers. Yeah, my dad bought me the skin. This one is first, and this one is next. She's so cute. Never mind. Yeah, that thing looks so crazy. As you know, this is amazing. Okay, first. I don't know. Yeah, what is next thing? He's gonna be like. Yeah. And the textbook and the blue ice cream. Okay. Just been a long time. Today is March 11th, and I hope you subscribe my channels. And click that below, and don't forget to subscribe after my channels, and you click right there onto the next video. I hope you're gonna love it, and also even a new update. These beats are so good to me. Oh yeah! Look at this new train. Look at this new outside. Look at this. Oh yeah, they're so cool. Right now, I'm just gonna be this, Reddit, or else, wait guys, wait. Okay, so now I'm gonna be different. And to the bird, right now, she says, what? And the bird says, the bird says another word. Yeah, it's not cool. I know. Look at these little things. They're so cute. I know, you're gonna love them. Birdie, I'm telling you something else. Look, there's an egg. Get him out. Good. Jump around. It's so fun. Whoa, I'm around the good. The sprinkle is No, I'm bored. Maybe that video you're gonna love it. And you can collect apples, forget it. And I forgot something, you can collect apples soon. Also, yeah. And this scooter looks amazing. We need 5. Yeah. This friends die and super readers. You have to make me imagine for what to do. Yeah. Guys, just give me a moment, okay? I got the plane on the future. Says the bird on the plane on the future. Yeah, on the plane on the future. Hey, next one is girl. Girly, what's your name? Daniel, I can't help what this boy is. Where's? She's so cute. Now, on the Crew Crush board. Good. Okay, it's play. It's play. Yeah. I'm slow. I look baby. 조심사 어디도. That would help me for that reason. Now I'm reacting a little bit. I'm sorry. I was using the bathroom so fast. Oh yeah. Yeah. Time to watch a video.
Who are you?
For free.
Megan the motherfucking stallion.
Who are
Not
you?
for free,
Billie
but
Eilish.
it's
Who are you?
Bernie.
First off, who
What's
are you?
That? I wanna play
Who are
with
you?
The game.
I'm Doja
I
Cat.
wanna play. What this button to do? It's to do for free. What the? It's the cheese. The burrito. Huh? Guys, something just happened. Why this is not working? Now we have to start forest gonna play. Oh, it's a little bit cool. Yeah. Maybe I gotta. It's like you see me and people have suspicions like my friend Carl. So guys, that was the video of the new update. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel if I said that. But see you guys in the next video. Peace.